The Ad Hoc batch creation feature is located on the Analysis page. You can use this feature when you are working with the All Documents universe. Once you have the documents to be batched, isolated in the results list, select the documents using Select Entire Result List. From the Result List toolbar, click on the Actions menu and then click Batch. In the Batch Documents window, select the field that contains the field value you wish to use as your review workflow for batching, and then select the value. Click Make Default for Universe if you'd like the workflow to be set as the default for ad hoc batching for the All Documents universe. Next, select the desired target review state. Click Make Default for Workflow if you'd like that target review state set as the default for this workflow. Select a pre-existing batching template to populate the remaining settings, or configure them from scratch. For instance, to create 4 batches out of our selected document set, we select full batching split by batch count, and then input the number of batches here. We can choose to group or sort documents within batches by the custodian, data source name, or document date field. We can choose to include associated documents, so let's include families. And we can exclude any documents that have been previously batched or reviewed for our target review state of First Pass Review Complete. Whether you use an existing or custom template, click Make Default for Workflow to make these the default template settings for this workflow. And you can give this template a name if you created a custom template. Once we click Create, the system immediately begins batch creation.